China is facing its biggest outbreak of COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic, after its new daily cases more than doubled in a day. Key points. China has recorded 3,507 new cases of COVID-19, with the majority in the northeast province of Jilin. China has recorded 3,507 new cases of COVID-19, with the majority in the northeast province of Jilin. The number of new cases has more than doubled in a day, with a stealth Omicron variant spreading in the country. The number of new cases has more than doubled in a day, with a stealth Omicron variant spreading in the country. University modeling suggests the country could record up to 35,000 positive cases in this wave of infections. The National Health Commission said 3,507 new local cases had been identified in the latest 24-hour period, up from 1,337 a day earlier. Most of the new cases were in northeast China's Jilin province, where 2,601 were reported. The number of new asymptomatic cases, which China does not classify as confirmed cases, stood at 1,768. No new deaths have been reported in the multiple outbreaks across China. A fast-spreading variant known as stealth Omicron is testing China's zero-tolerance strategy, a policy that has kept the virus at bay since the initial outbreak in the city of Wuhan in early 2020. While the numbers are low compared to elsewhere in the world, the more than 10,000 cases China recorded in the first 2 weeks of March far exceed previous outbreaks. Health experts said the rate of increase in daily cases over the next few weeks would be a crucial factor in determining whether its past management of COVID-19 was effective with more transmissible strains. A COVID-19 forecasting system run by Lanzhou University in China's northwest predicted that the latest outbreak would eventually be brought under control in early April. The university estimates the current outbreak will see a total of about 35,000 cases. In its latest assessment published on Monday, the university said while the current outbreak was the most serious on the mainland since Wuhan in 2020, China was capable of bringing it under control, as long as stringent curbs remained in place. As of March 14, mainland China had reported 120,504 cases with confirmed symptoms, including both local ones and those arriving from outside the mainland. Authorities in the Jilin province have been using drones to disinfect a building that has been locked down due to COVID-19 cases. Travel ban reinstated as provinces placed into lockdown. In the northeastern province of Jilin, where nearly 90% of the confirmed symptomatic cases were found, its population of 24.1 million have been banned from leaving the province and traveling within it without first notifying local police. In a local Communist Party authority-backed paper, the party's provincial head said officials in Jilin should prepare more temporary hospitals and use venues to ensure all cases and their close contacts are isolated to prevent further transmission. Smaller outbreaks have hit more than a dozen provinces and major cities, including Beijing, which has 6 new cases, and Shanghai, which reported 9. Shenzhen, which is located in the Guangdong province in the country's southeast, has recorded 48 new cases. The city of 17.5 million people was placed into lockdown on Sunday after 75 new cases were recorded. Everyone in Shenzhen is required to be tested 3 times, and all businesses, except those that supply food, fuel and other necessities, were ordered to close or work from home on Monday. Shenzhen is home to several prominent Chinese companies, including telecommunications equipment maker Huawei and Tencent Holding, the operator of the WeChat message service. ABC or wires. M to mute, left and right arrows to seek, up and down arrows for volume. Watch 15 minutes 2 seconds 15 M will win to bring a COVID-19 onslaught.